Hi everyone and welcome back to Teacher Sai. For today's episode, ang gagawin natin is i-activate natin yung student account. So, ang gagawin muna, pupunta kayo sa website ng commons.deped.gov.ph. Tapos, makikita nyo agad, nakalagay dyan, activate your student account. So, click nyo lang yan. Tapos nakalagay dyan, type in your email address given by your school IT officer. After clicking send activation instruction, check your email for instructions on how to activate your account. So ilalagay dito yung email address na binigay sa inyo ng inyong school IT officer o ng inyong advisor. So for example, ilalagay ko to, yung email, tapos i-click ko yung send activation instructions. So, once na mag-click nyo na yung send activation button, mag-a-appear na ngayon sa inyong browser, you will receive an email with instruction for how to confirm your email address in a few minutes. So, ang next na gagawin ay magla-login sa inyong Deped account. So, yung mga email address na binigay sa inyo ng school IT officer at ng advisor nyo, lahat yan ay bubuksan nyo sa office.com dahil ayan ay ang inyong Microsoft 365 account. So, kanina, ang sabi doon, marireceive ko daw yung email for activation. Ayan, nakalagay, Commons Activation Guide. So, pinlik ko lang siya para mabasa yung email. Kung mababasa nyo, nandito sa right side, nakalagay dyan, welcome to Deped Commons Account Activation. So, to activate, tapos yung email address ko, click on this link and set up your own password. Afterward, you can proceed to update your profile. Okay, so, click ko na yung link to activate my Deped Commons account. Ayan. So, your email address has been successfully confirmed. Please set your desired password. Enter at least 8 characters. So, maglalagay lang ako ng 8 characters password. Pwede namang mas madami sa 8 characters. Okay, so ayan, nakita nyo, nakalagay, your password has been changed successfully. You are now signed in. So, pag nakita nyo ngayon dito, na nakalagay na yung inyong email address, that's the time na ang inyong Deped Commons account is activated. Kung nakatulong sa inyo ang tutorial na to, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell button para lagi kang updated sa mga post ko. Thank you!